Here's how you make a super simple slider control that you can use for countdowns and other fun things. In our example, we'll create a circle where our countdown can be displayed. You can do the same. Start by creating some text inside the circle. It doesn't matter what the text says, because we'll be adding an effect later that completely erases whatever is written inside. Center your text so it looks neat. Next, let's add a drop shadow to our circle to give it a bit of depth. To do that, right-click on your layer, go to Perspective, Drop Shadow. Now you can adjust the values until it looks nice and clean. Go up to your Effects and Presets panel and search for Slider Control. Drag it down onto your text layer. Drag your source text down to the slider control, and just like that, you've activated a slider on your text. Now, if you animate it, you'll see the numbers moving. The only issue is, we get way too many decimals. But don't worry, we can fix that quickly with an expression. Just hold down Alt and click the stopwatch. Inside the expression field, you'll see the slider control written out. Here, simply add math, round, and all those decimals disappear. And if you want to make it look extra clean, you can even add a % sign at the end. So now your text animates smoothly as whole numbers with a nice % right after. And just to make it look even nicer, let's add a stroke that visually shows the percentage. We can do that by applying a Trim Paths effect to the circle. As we animate the path, it lines up with the numbers, giving us a clean progress indicator.